She's gonna spray me.
I got some bad news.
What?
This wasn't recording.
You serious?
Yeah.
Bruh. Alright guys, we're back from the other video and we're gonna install it right now, and we're gonna try the fitment and all that and see how it looks. Alright guys, for the install it's looking pretty simple. It's looking like it's just gonna be these two right here. I'll let you guys know what size they are in a bit, and you're just gonna have to disconnect your hoses for your intercooler spray, and that looks about it. And then you just swap over the hood. Alright, so the socket you're gonna need for these are 12s. Going perfect. Just take that out. Alright, so for the intercooler spray, we just unplugged it from here, from these hoses. So this one and this one right here. And then we're gonna take them off, and then we're gonna see how we're gonna move over these hoses to that hood, or if it's even possible. Alright, so we took out the two over there on that side. We're gonna take out this one, and it should just come right out, guys. So, yep, there we go. They're both out.
That's money.
Yup, money. Guys, should I rock no hood?
Dude, that looks dope.
That looks dope. It does. Sheesh.
That shit looks sick. Alright, so we got it off. We just need to switch over the, what do you call it? The tubes?
The intercooler water lines?
Yeah.
Alright guys, for your window sprayers, these things, so all you really got to do to take them out is just go from up here, back here, and you're just going to push on it out. So just push on it, it should pop out. So
You got it?
yeah. Alright, so you just squeeze it. So these two tabs right here, you just squeeze them, and it should just pop right out, guys. All right, so for the lines, I just popped them out from these. I don't think I'm gonna move these over because I don't want to risk breaking them in case I ever go back to OEM. Just gonna pop them out like this right here, from the, like that. Pop these out.
You could do that?
And just like that, you just slide out your hoses, guys.
Dope.
How do you,
Same thing for this right here, guys. So as you see, it's a clip. Just gonna want to squeeze it and push it down. Just like that, you see it popped right out. I'm just gonna slide it out. Just like that, you just slide it out. There we go.
For showy.
The long line goes this way. So you gotta match it up over here. Make sure you guys are putting it in right. Just like that. And then it's gonna come out over here. So I'll update you guys once we put them in. Playing that one game, you know that one
Surgeon game?
Yeah.
What's it called?
What was that?
Operation.
Operation.
Alright, so we're just gonna put it in through right here. And then just keep sliding it like that. Just like that, guys. We got it in. Yep, just pop it. Alright, so we're gonna get it right here. Just like that. And just connect this thing back. Like that. Slide them in. And you're good. And you're good. Okay guys, so for the hood latch, it's gonna be 12s.
Pretty simple stuff.
Very easy install. Probably the easiest install I've ever done on my car.
Sheesh.
Let's go see this fitment. Yep. Threading in perfectly nice. Proof of carbon and authenticity. Oh, yup. Alright guys, so don't forget to use the hardware. These back ones right here, These are actually gonna be for those all 4 back here. I'm just using my old ones to put in right here, and it's perfectly fine. So yeah, make sure to use the new hardware for these back ones. Let's go try to fit it on now.
Let's go.
Where, oh, you put them
This is actually gonna be a 3-man job, I think. While we hold it, I think I'm gonna have Tino. You wanna put down the camera and you wanna screw them in?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Dang, first try, guys. Look at this fitment. Seibon, they're doing their job, cause this fitment is on point. Damn. This looks so nice, guys. Video does not do justice. Wow. RIP to my hydraulic hood things, because it looks like I'm not gonna be able to use those anymore, but that's what you gotta do for the carbon. Wow. Yeah, guys, fitment on point. Look at that. Look at that. Still got the big hood scoop too. Oof. I know.
I don't know where it is
Dang, RIP.
RIP to these. They busted out.
That shit done busted out.
That shit busted out the seams.
Fuck.
Yeah, you would hella have to cut it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even bother.
I wouldn't cut it, guys, personally. It looks like I'm just gonna have to carry a wooden stick
You know you could.
Yeah.
or a skateboard.
Hey, whenever you put it up, just put.
So that one was for the windshield, right? Yeah. All right. This is the top one.
Big boy.
Yeah, it does matter because for my intercooler spray, it's in the back. It's a different tank. This is from right here.
Oh, okay.
Imagine if that sprayed into my intercooler.
Jeez.
Be like this.
Yeah.
Okay. And put it in.
Just quirky things, man.
Yep, quirky things.
Doug DeMiro.
Shout out Doug.
Shout out, Doug.
Again, I'm gonna use this thing just to bend them. So make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So like that. Just like that.
Easy, man.
Alright.
How do we?
We're gonna have to use
I got some bad news.
what?
This wasn't recording.
You serious?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Alright, let's close that B. Whose phone is this?
That's Lewis's.
Alright, dope. Sheesh.
Things are up.
That's all raw.
She looks sick.
Fucking me. Just look at that. Look at that carbon, man.
Sheesh. Oh my god, it looks so aggressive.
Fitment dough. Not bad at all. Hella good.
Ready or come now?
Alright, guys, so we got it installed. I put on my fog lights. And yeah, perfect fitment from Seibon though. Perfect fitment, no flaws. Did you see that? But yeah. Alright, guys, so after driving around, everything's good, nothing's wrong, not popping up. Fitment is still fine. I highly recommend Seibon, because I didn't even have to adjust it. Everything's just really flush for the fitment. What's up? But yeah, it's looking good, guys. Came out nice. Alright, guys, so this is the end of the video. And after driving around, I just really enjoyed it. Took some pictures today. Came out really nice. Fitment was on point. No overspray on anything. Everything was fine. No scratches, no dings. And the carbon fiber was on point. So to end the video, I recommend Seibon. If you guys want to go with the carbon hood, you can't go wrong. And thank you guys for watching.